This book is made for people who don't feel like they're understood, but hopefully one day they can be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read 2 paragraphs in chapter 1. This is the hard part, the worst part, which is the beginning. It's a shame that we can't make the book start on a happy part, but we have to start with the difficult part so it's in the right order. Things always need to be in the right order. It makes me sad thinking back, but I'm hoping that this book will help you know that things can get better. So as long as you are understood, being understood is a difficult bit. You can buy this book on Amazon, and see you.
Hi guys, I'm going to read to you today Under the Mattress, chapter 3 from the book The Boy in the Dress. So again, get yourself comfy, get yourself cosy and get ready for the 3rd chapter.
3. Morning, Miss Carr. I have made a food pyramid. Here you can see fats and oils like M&Ms. Here you can see meat and fish. The octopus looks like an octopus. That milk and dairy, that's milk. That is milk. And that's cheese. Yeah. And that's like fruits and vegetables. That looks like a tasty banana. That's supposed to be an orange, but Mum called it like a cabbage. And that is potatoes and bread. Now where they come from? Fats and oils, like, come from trees, because like chocolate, tree, coconut oil, tree, and cocoa beans, because chocolate and cocoa beans come from Africa. And meat and fish, the ocean, Africa, land, animals, because you won't see a walking piece of meat. Now, milk, cheese and dairy is just cows, UK, Italy. Italy because obviously we get most of our cheese from Italy. I like cheese. And cow cheese is milk.
Cheese is milk?
Yeah, it is. It's dried up milk.
Okay.
But just made more sweeter. So here it's fruits and vegetables, the ground. That's where they grow it, in the ground and in the soil. And then bread and potatoes, UK, because UK potatoes, and also Peru, and they grow in the soil.
Did we say that the potatoes were originally from?
Yeah, it's originally from the Peru.
Yeah.
And also in the bakery.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so that's my food pyramid.
Brilliant.
Yay!